Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. My name is Abhilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 19th March 2021. So hopefully you all are making good amount of money from my previous analysis, and I get really happy when I get good comments and emails from you all. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching my videos for the first time, I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, so we can see that after this big fall, okay, market is in range right now. Okay, and if you watch my previous video, then you have already short the market and you made good money. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Strategy for Friday. Let me zoom on the chart. I don't know why it's not zooming. Sorry, I need to zoom in. Actually, I get confused pretty often regarding zoom out and zoom in. Okay, sorry. Anyways, let me take out the pencil. Okay, so we can see that right now the market is trading at, or the current market price is 1.1924. Okay, so this is the current market price. So what should be a strategy then? Strategy is simple. Right now, Euro USD is in a range right now. In a range bound market, we need to trade on the levels. That's it. So right now market is here, no need to trade. Let the market come down to either this level or this level. If market comes and touch this level, observe how the price does. If you see that price is not ready to go down, then you can buy. Okay, just make sure that you get the confirmation. Confirmation can be in the form of a hammer or a like this candlestick pattern like this, or a pattern like this, or a beautiful green candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, price is not ready to go down further, in that case you can just buy here. And in case market crosses this level, just make sure that price is being supported by volume. If you see that yes, market is being dominated by sellers right now, okay, then you can short the market here. On the other hand, if market goes up and hit this range, then again just observe how the price is reacting. Okay, if you see that yes, this resistance is still valid, market is not allowing the price to cross this particular resistance 1.1988. Okay, this level, this resistance. If you see that market is not ready to cross this level, and if you see that price is being rejected from this resistance, okay, then you can short the market here below this level. And on the other hand, if you see that price has volume this time, okay, buyers are dominating, they are in pressure. Okay, in that case, if it crosses this level, okay, then wait for 2 to 3 hours, just observe the price. Okay, if you see that after 2-3 hours that yes, price is still trading comfortably above the level, okay, then you can go for a buy order above this line. That means that resistance has become the support. In that case, you can go ahead and buy. If you see that price is getting rejected from above, short the level. Okay, so these are the two levels that you need to keep your eyes on. Market is in a range right now, so just keep your eyes on these two range. Right now market is trading here. Okay, do not need to trade, no need to take any risk. Okay, plenty of opportunities are there in the market to make money. Okay, so do not need to take any risk. Wait for the market either to go up or down. Okay, that's it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. Thank you so much. Good luck and see you on Monday, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.